Hey guys, hello and welcome to a new video. This time again a live solve of the MECC cases. So if we'll start with junior varsity and later do then varsity. I don't know how good this will go because in the MEWC round it wasn't the case catering to my abilities, but yeah, we will see. Let's jump into the junior case. Yes. Oh, bad internet. Okay, here we go. Okay, it's basically the same as, okay, how often is the pound 5? Count if s, okay. Okay, that's basically simple. Okay, how often? Okay, it's basically also a count if s. Yes. Next, what is in there? So it's an indirect. I more often concat this that way, so I don't need to type everything out. Basic indirect function. Then, okay, we have the tables at the top, xlookup or get, and I don't need to type this multiple times, xlookup for this, and here returning connect from mapping. Okay, too early. You see, it's basically the same. And level 5 connects to or connects from, so basically it's an two-dimensional xlookup, but instead of putting out this, I want to put out based on this the same range, or the range based on this, and therefore, yeah. No. Okay, something is odd. Connects to connect to connects to. Interesting. It isn't the same code as it should be. Okay, xlookup. And here, returning connects to, and here, returning this. 0, okay. Okay, something was odd. This is the original here. Okay, false flag. Yeah, should be fine. Level 6. Determine how many pipes in a given sequence can connect to or connect from a given direction. So I basically want to count if here, but I can't count with count if in arrays, but we will do this with a filter approach. Okay, the answer was 2. answer was 2. Instead of concatenating, I do filter, and I filter this array if this equals the direction. Hmm. Or let's split this. Sequence 5 rows, step 4, number of rows 4 equals this. False? Why always false? It's not. Yeah. Okay, I'm dumb. Okay. I need here then of all those. I need mid. The start number is search 1 in here 1, and if this is then a 1, it's my search number. Yeah, should be fine. Okay. You are given a sequence of 10 pipes and must determine which one does not connect with the previous pipe in sequence. Okay. Map drop here, first column, last column, and drop first column, lambda AB. And now we want to know if they are connecting. Some of the positions. Okay. I would like to use my original attempt solution. Okay, let's data table this. Sorry, I have connection problems. Okay, data table, xlookup this in actual case, element connects to I after I is G. Yeah. Okay. And now I need to split this. And search if nah. And then for here I need to okay, the answer is 12, so it's 2, 4, 6. Yeah. So basically if everything is false, then it cannot connect. So some filter if this equals 0, 12. Okay, let's hope this will work. 827.11. 827.11, yeah, should be right. Okay, bonus questions in level 2 answers. What is the total numbers of elements that are not pipe sources or outlets? Ah, that is not. Yes, okay. Equals filter. No, filter not is number x match and then sum. And level 3 answers, excluding the example. There's one element that is more present than others. How many times? 3 times. Excluding the example, how many pipe sections in level 3 and 4 are right, left, 4 and 5? Count if yes. Excluding example here. Then, okay. In the pipe maze, what is the total number of pipes that connects to the right? Okay. Mm, Connects to the right is right 1 equals 1. False. Okay. The term pipe maze, it's here flatted. X lookup this and here returning true and false. Source and outlets not included, right? Excludes source and outlets. Okay. 0, 0. Right. Yes. Yes, I know. I've destroyed the dynamic array. Equals sum minus minus an A. Hmm. Oh, yeah. Okay, if not found, then 0, of course. 282. 282. Excluding the example in level 7, what is the total number of pipes that do not connect to the previous pipe in the sequence? And now the number is asked. So we want to have here columns. The number is 60. Okay, quite hard for a current junior varsity level. Okay, junior varsity empty. I think I've solved it. Yeah, should be. Okay, we will not get a score, but yeah. Okay, see you in a sec for the varsity round.